What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we're going to another car meet. Got another car meet for you guys. This one's pretty local. It's by my house. I've never gone to it before, and I don't know why I haven't checked it out, but I heard it gets packed. A lot of cool cars come, so I think a couple of homies of mine are gonna pull up. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go check out the cars. All right, guys. So I recently added this canopy here in the driveway to protect the M4 because the M4 just sits out here all week and the sun literally just beats down on it all day, all week. And you know, like eventually over time, the sun just will damage the carbon roof, the spoiler, just the paint, all that stuff. So especially like now that we're in summer and we're not even in the hundreds yet, that's the crazy part. I was like, you know what, I gotta protect the car somehow, because you guys are probably wondering, well, you have a garage. Yes, I do have a garage, but the garage is really small and there's a bunch of stuff in there anyway. So the M4 will definitely not fit in there. So I went ahead and got this canopy here. It was like 300 bucks on Amazon and it's pretty cool. So it's got like these little plastic windows if you ever like want to just see through the other side. As you can see, there's a window over there, plastic window there, and there's one there. And then here you can unzip and then pull the car out, and then same thing for the front over there as well. I just got to add it. But yeah, I can cover the front. Pretty much the whole entire car is covered. The E92 is in another garage, so the E92 is fine, but the M4 is here and it sits out here, which this whole thing kind of took up my whole entire driveway. Cold starts are super loud. After disconnecting the valves, I had to slap the M4 GTS plate on there because why not? Guys, look how huge this freaking thing is. Literally took up the whole driveway. Like, I only have this little space right here. That's just crazy. So right now we're about to meet up with the homie EJ with the BMW M8 competition. You guys have seen him a bunch of times before in my vlogs. He's got that full Vorsteiner kit M8. It's pretty sick. And he's been to this meet apparently a bunch of times. So I heard a lot of good cars pull up. I have never gone. I don't know why I've never gone. It's so close to my house, but we are gonna go and check it out and hopefully see some cool cars. I think Enrique is pulling up. I'm not sure if he's taking the G80 though. I don't know yet. Tried to tell Nick to come down here, but I don't think he's down here for the weekend. We got the M4 convertible. Nice. Sheesh. Look at the 335. It's like a sand color. It's pretty sick. It's got the M3 fenders on there. Damn, we're just seeing a bunch of cool cars today. Look at it. We got the old school Hummer. Another 335. Look at that M8, guys. With the full Vorsteiner kit. Oh my god. I think he's gonna. Oh, he's so close to the floor. Damn, that thing looks clean. Alright guys, so we just got here. We're pretty early, but we got beautiful E30. We got EJ's M8 comp, and then we got my M4 GTS. And then there's a bunch of other cars that are gonna pull up. This whole lot gets flooded. I've seen it before a bunch of times on Instagram. A bunch of cool like cars pull up. And like I said, hopefully a bunch of cool cars come through so you guys can check it out. Dude needs to be careful. Oh, he three-wheeling out here. I should. M2? That's pretty clean.
Okay, tell him Rob, how good that. Oh, actually, you guys are. Well, is that M3 or M4?
M3.
Hey, actually, front one room over. So it can be M8, M4, M3, and then.
Sheesh, the big homie Enrique pulled up. Rich, what's up, G? For sure this M2 is not stock. He's got the carbon tips, as you guys can see. He's got an exhaust, downpipes for sure. Uh-oh. He was looking right at me too. We got the individual F80 M3 Miami Blue. Damn, that thing is clean. Followed by the X4 M Competition LCI. That is clean. Got the M Performance exhaust on there. Sheesh. All over Nick. Where you at, fool? Shit is super clean. Yes, right here. Thank you. Damn, this looks so freaking good.
Tequila.
The Arthur E92 M3. She's clean. Fire. Dude, that's clean. F10 M5. Then we got the Lambo. We need the Lambo to floor it. Floor it for us. Come on. That is a clean F80 right there. With the third wheeling it. I feel like everybody's third wheeling it up the driveways. The blue Urus. That's clean. Oh, Andre.
That's the.
Oh shit! Just go. That's I'll call you back. What's up, baby? You know I have to bring the old exhaust back, bro. Just right now too.
Damn, look at that lineup though. That looks pretty sick. This is sick. Miami Blue F80 M3 individual 2018 LCI. It's just clean. And you guys know the homie Andre with his E92 M3. Very nice. He's got an exhaust in the car. What the hell? He changed up his exhaust, he said earlier. Looks crazy with that under tray. Looks crazy. What?
If you behave, I'm gonna buy one of those. Alright.
Bro, F90 M5. Sheesh, we got the E30 M3. That is too clean right there. You don't see too many E39 M5s out there.
Baller, big baller parking lot right here. We got the CSL trunk.
Rich.
Hey, if it's sponsored by Vorsteiner, it ain't sponsored right, bro.
Hey, are you gonna bang the plug next?
Brazos plate.
I'm waiting on you to be like, I wonder who's banging next. Edgeman's gonna make a video behind Lena the plug. Bro. Like Nikon told you.
Oh, what's up, my G? What? Bro, come to the meet, dog. We're all here.
Yeah, that's to be nice.
Look. Hold on.
I mean, this. Bro, where's your pink hair? Hey.
I look like Kevin's wind muff.
Hey, should have bought F80, but you didn't.
When'd you respray your hair, bro?
C63? Dude, yeah, that's clean right there. Look. That red color, that's sick. British Racing Green? Damn, another E39 M5? That's clean. Bro, what's wrong with you?
What's up, bro? I'm Mike.
Sheesh. All over KG. Dude, that thing is clean. What the? Is he doing a burnout? Bro, this damn truck is in the way. Oh my god. What the? What? G80 M3? The homie Nick's? Yeah, that shit is clean. The big body Phantom. E92 M3, baby. Big body Phantom. It's crazy. That's a clean E92 M3. Aunties.
Saying I'm
Lambo.
No
V10.
plates, no plates. When he tells me, hey bro, I'm buying your car, and people still think it's my car, but it's not. Oh my god, big baller. We got...
Is that Davo?
We got TP Media in the building. No wing, that means no cap.
Angle. Lower life. Whoa. So freaking loud. Holy shit. We got 2 minutes. I should have. It's an E92 day today. Dude, that thing sounds crazy.
Loyalty.
Got the Supra here. Oh my god, this thing is clean. Sheesh. We got the Lambos, the McLaren. Aventador SV. Mike?
Oh, look at the traffic.
So much traffic. We got the Rolls, the yellow interior, GT3. We got the Ferrari, we got the F40. All the Ferraris lined up.
Hey, that's not yours then, huh?
Nah, I don't know whose GT is.
Let's get to it then, huh? Let's get to it then.
Kia. We got the homie Enrique, we got me, we got the homie EJ with the M8. Check out the Supra. Sheesh, it's pretty sick. So many exotics. So many supercars. Look at the McLaren. Oh, that thing is fire. Sick, huh?
Fitment is on point.
And the best part, the doors go up. The homie Jared, GT4. We got the GT3 RS. Check out the Lambo. Huracan Evo with like the paint splat on it, green wheels on BBS's. Holy shit. That's crazy. For real, right? Enrique's gonna be on a TikTok right now. You want to rate it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's rate each other's cars. Let's rate each other's cars.
All right. And what car do you have here?
BMW M4.
Enrique just went too.
What's up?
And I think
Maybe in front.
So now he's gonna rate your car.
Yeah.
Let's see what he says. Hey, this could end a friendship.
So they can escalate, huh?
This could end a friendship right here.
Sheesh, somebody pulling up in the Maybach. Rich. This McLaren 600 LT is clean. Look at that. All the forged carbon with the orange pinstripe. It's pretty sick. Check this out, guys. M4 right-hand drive. Yo, that is crazy. Bro, what? I am tripping out. That is crazy. It's a nice color.
McLaren GT?
Shit's sick. Congrats, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Sheesh, check out the Huracan. It's pretty sick. Cool little livery on it with orange tiger stripes, yellow headlights. Check out the wheels. It's pretty crazy. Oh shit, look at the back. Got the Huracan STO, like a gold color. Sick. The homie Mark, the homie Nick. Looking clean, looking clean. Alex with the D92 M3. How much money you got in there?
Huh?
How much money you got in there?
None, I spent on this.
I'm broke. Hey, Mike?
Oh shit.
Mike!
Yeah. Have they done their grand opening, their shop over here?
Nick hasn't gotten his breakfast yet. It's so sad. We're rolling deep today. All of the homies. What's up? Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.